Hello guys, and welcome back to the Medium related YouTube channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to legally share your affiliate links on medium.com. So I have found a resource, my friends, ftc.gov, and the title is FTC's endorsement guides, what people are asking, my friends. So I'm going to skip the reading part and just focus on this, my friends. From this website link, if there is a connection between an endorser and the marketer that a significant minority of consumers wouldn't expect, and it would affect how they evaluate the endorsement, that connection should be disclosed clearly and conspicuously. So my friends, this is very important, my friends. You have to disclose your affiliate link, and usually it's called affiliate link disclosure. So I'm going to show you step by steps how I do this, my friends. If you look, there are multiple places I'm doing this. For example, in my short bio on Medium profile, I am saying affiliate, this bracket, affiliate link, bracket closed, and then my affiliate link. And I have also given the FTC guidelines.gov link in the about section, so people might know about this, my friends. This is very important. So the second thing, my friends, is very important as well. How would you do it in your articles, for example? So this article has multiple affiliate links inside it. I have given an affiliate link disclosure at the start, but this is not enough, my friends. Look at this. Wherever I have shared an affiliate link, I have put a bracket open, bracket close, and here I have shared my affiliate link. So this is the second way of sharing your affiliate link other than your bio in your posts. And the third way is, my friends, you wouldn't have expected this. My friends. The third and the last way is via sharing it with your email list, my friends. So this is very important, my friends. This is my email list, and I have got it from various sources which were my own sources, and Medium have approved these emails, my friends. These people, almost 500 people, 484 people, if I email them directly, even not without Medium even, and provide my affiliate link, I should give it in the same format, bracket open, affiliate link, bracket closed, my friends. This is how I should do affiliate marketing with these email subscribers of mine, using another CMS email dashboard, my friends. And this is it, my friends. This is how you legally share your affiliate links on medium.com. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this video, and if you have any queries, also let me know. Any suggestions, any requests, I am willing to help you out. Take care, my friends.